Welcome to While You Were Pooping, where we share fun facts, helpful anecdotes, or something to laugh about in just the time it takes you to number 2. Today, we're fleshing out the truth behind a swirling question. Does toilet water spin differently depending on which hemisphere you're in? Let's dive into the whirlpool of facts to clear up this watery mystery.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
You might have heard that in the northern hemisphere, toilet water swirls clockwise, and in the southern hemisphere, it swirls counterclockwise. This idea is often attributed to something called the Coriolis effect, which does indeed influence large-scale phenomena like hurricanes and ocean currents. The Coriolis effect is a result of the Earth's rotation. It causes moving objects to follow curved paths, to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. It's a powerful force, but only for movements that happen over large distances and long periods of time. When it comes to something as small and quick as toilet water swirling down the drain, the Coriolis effect is essentially negligible. In reality, the direction water spirals down the drain is determined by other factors like the shape of the toilet bowl and the angle of the water jets within it. Experiments have been conducted, most famously by Dr. Asher Shapiro in the 1960s, to demonstrate the Coriolis effect in a controlled environment. He showed water in a large, carefully balanced tank would drain in opposite directions in the two hemispheres. However, for your average toilet or sink, the effect is far too small to notice under normal circumstances. So, the next time you hear someone claim that the toilet flush is one way in Australia and the other way in England because of the Coriolis effect, you'll know that it's more about plumbing than physics. Toilets might not reveal the secret of the universe's rotation, but they do remind us that not all is as it seems. Sometimes you need to dive beneath the surface to find the truth swirling below. This episode is brought to you by VectorX, your go-to Salesforce partner. Just like While You Were Pooping, VectorX is all about fitting seamlessly into your life. We understand that your time's valuable, and that's why we help streamline and supercharge your Salesforce experience so you can get back to what matters most, your life. Flush away inefficiency at vectorx.com. That's VECTORX.com. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.
Yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping.